What's up, guys? So I'm making a quick video. The hijinks video will be out soon. I'm just traveling. I'm here in Rochester visiting my llama.
The one and only.
And so I'm doing a quick review of Scents by Design. So we found this place online. I was just searching for things to do in the wintertime in Rochester, and apparently it's a new business. I was researching their Instagram because I was curious because we had a great time. So they give it the candle in like this really cute little bag, and you get to get like this card and everything, and you get to pick like 15 different scents.
You pick a bunch.
Yeah, like 15. So these are mine. I got very earthy, witchy kind of smells, like balsam fir, amber musk. I like masculine scents. He got a very different type.
Yeah, I picked like a lot of sweet smelling stuff and like fruity smelling stuff with the addition of bacon. Bacon was cool.
Yeah, and then on the back they give you a care guide on how to take care of your candle. And there's different things you can get. So this is the style of candle like holder I got. So I'll show you mine. I wanted to get crystals in mine. So look at her, she's so pretty. I love it. And then you get to name them yourselves too. So this is what I named mine. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. His is very different.
Yeah. So mine looks like this. But what's cool about it is it has that wooden wick. You can't really see it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's a wooden wick, which is cool because then when it burns, it kind of crackles like it's a campfire. So that's pretty cool. And then mine is named Frat House Breakfast because it's basically what you would eat for breakfast in a frat house, because the 3 different scents that are in mine is bacon, strawberry jam, and pear.
Mine, the three I picked was agarwood, amber musk, and lemongrass. So mine has like a very, how would you describe this?
Let me smell it again. It doesn't smell like a normal candle. I mean, mine definitely doesn't smell like a normal candle. But like,
I guess kind of like if you get like tobacco candles, that's kind of like what mine smells like. You
yeah,
know what I'm talking about?
It's more of like food scented candle, if that makes sense. It's like yeah. You know, there's candles that are like, oh, this smells like fresh linens or something. Mm-hmm. It's more something like that, not like a food.
And then the crystals I got in mine was quartz, obsidian, and I think this is citrine. I could be wrong. I have to double check. I don't remember. But I'm trying to get into more crystals and stuff. So, yeah. So, and then yours, I'm trying to remember. Let me see. Yeah, yours is definitely more like fruity. The strawberry jam.
The strawberry jam was cool because it smells fruity, but also like really sweet at the same time.
Yeah. The
pear was just straight up fruity. The bacon smelled exactly like bacon.
Yeah, the other scents, because you can also get like other things besides candles. So these are soy wax candles, and you can also you can do like spray bottles, like sugar scrubs or like salt scrubs, I think. And diffusers, like the wooden ones, the ones where you like flip them, and lotions, I think. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. It's kind of like you can like have parties and they sell alcohol there.
Yeah,
you can drink and make candles and stuff. So that's pretty cool. So thank you for our little quick review, and watch out for my hijinks video soon. Bye.